What's the meaning of air-conditioned? Air-conditioned. 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 Air-conditioned refers to the state or condition of an enclosed space that has been artificially cooled and dehumidified using machinery or technology, typically an air conditioning system. The result of air conditioning is a comfortable indoor environment, with the temperature and humidity levels being regulated to provide optimal conditions for human comfort and productivity. This can include cool and dry air circulation, which helps to reduce heat-related health risks and maintain a pleasant living or working environment. Overall, air conditioning is a modern convenience that has become an integral part of daily life for many people around the world.